Ever wondered what happens when the flavors of Japan meet the vibrant tastes of Portugal? Welcome to the world of fusion cuisine. It's a dynamic culinary trend that weaves together the best of both worlds, creating a tapestry of tantalizing flavors. Fusion cuisine not only excites the palate but also bridges cultures, promoting unity. And where better to delve into this than Lisbon, a city with a rich food culture? Let's embark on a gastronomic journey to Sushicome, a Lisbon gem that marries Portuguese and Japanese flavors beautifully. Welcome to Sushicome, where the East meets the West in a symphony of flavors. Let's embark on a delectable journey, unveiling 10 exquisite dishes that perfectly encapsulate a fusion of Japanese and Portuguese culinary artistry. From the freshness of the sea to the richness of the land, each dish is a testament to the harmonious blending of two distinct cultures. First we have the sardine nigiri, a beautiful blend of traditional Japanese sushi with a Portuguese twist. The sardine's robust flavor is complemented by the subtle sweetness of vinegared rice, creating a delightful balance. Next is the bacalhau tempura, where Portugal's beloved salted cod meets Japan's light and crispy tempura batter. The result? A dish that's crispy on the outside and flaky on the inside, a true delight to the senses. Let's not forget about the piri-piri maki. This roll combines the heat of Portuguese piri-piri peppers with the smoothness of sushi rice and fresh seafood, generating an explosion of flavors. The port wine teriyaki, a fusion of Japan's iconic teriyaki sauce with Portugal's world-renowned port wine, offers a sweet and tangy flavor profile that's nothing short of sensational. And that's just the tip of the culinary iceberg. Each dish at Sushicome, from the churiko onigiri to the pastel de nata matcha, tells a unique tale of culinary harmony, blending the best of two worlds. As you can see, each dish at Sushicome tells a unique tale of culinary harmony and cultural fusion. Exploring fusion cuisine is not just about tasting new dishes, it's a culinary journey. Our gastronomic adventure at Sushicome has been a delightful exploration of the palate. Each dish, a harmonious blend of Japanese precision and Portuguese flair, represents more than just a meal. It's a testament to the marriage of two distinct cultures, a beautiful symphony of flavors. Just imagine the creativity, the innovation it takes to seamlessly blend the subtleties of sushi with the robustness of Portuguese cuisine. It's an art, a dance of ingredients and techniques, where each step is carefully choreographed to ensure the perfect balance of flavor and texture. This journey is not just about exploring new tastes, it's about appreciating the culinary craftsmanship, the love and passion that goes into creating each dish. So, next time you're in Lisbon, why not take your taste buds on a culinary adventure at Sushicome? The fusion of Japanese and Portuguese flavors will surely leave you asking for more.